Today I'm going to be unboxing my watch strap for my Garmin Instinct solar watch. The company I bought this from is YAYUU, Y-A-Y-U-U. I'll put a link to it. Bought it off of AliExpress. In case there's anybody out there who's thinking about buying a different strap for your Garmin Instinct, I like doing these videos just to show you what it looks like when you get it in. So I'll say this, the price on these kind of fluctuate. When I bought it, it was $3.26 with 84-cent shipping. I think currently it's $2.28 with 84-cent shipping. But you can really get some pretty nice straps from AliExpress. This one I'm going to show you here in a second is the exact same quality as the strap that Garmin sends you when you buy this watch. And you're getting basically a new strap for about $4, maybe $5 at the most. So let's take a look at it. I will say this, there's a little bit of discoloration in here. Not real sure why, but you're not going to see that once it gets on the watch, I don't think. So this is the Garmin strap that it came with. And again, when you look at these, there's absolutely no difference. I know a lot of people have said, well, yeah, but this one's from China. The material will be worse. It'll be bad for your skin. I can tell you, I've used some different ones. I've had absolutely no reaction to any of them. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the tool that they sent. I'm going to take off my Garmin strap. And let's put the new one on and see what we think. And I'm just going to use the pins that were with my Garmin strap. Actually, before I do that, let's take a look at them. I will say this, the Garmin one does have, this one here is a little bit messed up on the middle, whereas the Garmin one is not. Everything else is identical, so. There we go. I've seen some people that go two-tone where they leave a different color on either side, but I'm not going to be doing that today. For $4, I like just funning it up a little bit, changing these out depending on what outfit I'm wearing. The gray one I'll keep on when I go to the office, but on the weekends I'll throw a different color on. It's a little bit brighter, a little bit more fun. And there we go. Looks like a brand new watch. No difference at all between the original from Garmin and what you can get on AliExpress. I'm going to put a link to the product that I bought. Again, I paid $3.26 for it, just in case somebody out there is interested. Hope this helps.